This really made me sad, y'all, because look, this is what you got to realize. Look, I started watching his channel along with the other few channels that I started with on my entryway to the gig economy and as a YouTube content creator. So seeing something like this, you know, it really hits home for me. So I'm trying to, you know, I'm gonna let bro explain himself.
Not as before, but this time is permanent. Effective July 1st, I will be deleting this channel. And it's too many people to thank. It's too many people to
blame,
say goodbye to. So I'm just going to try to wrap this up.
Oh, man.
In February, I created this channel couldn't get into Uber for whatever reason. Doordash, Grubhub couldn't get into that either. I've helped, hopefully, inspire several creators. Turned out to be Emperor Palpatine off Star Wars, a Sith Lord, and that's how it is. But others, I know I've helped.
Who the Sith Lord? Hold on, Dad.
Some of them turned out to be Emperor Palpatine off Star Wars, a Sith Lord, and that's how it is. But others, I know I've helped. I've helped not only in the Doordash world, but in YouTube as well. And unlike people, and this is not a shot to anyone, this is just I'm very into analytics, and pivoting a channel is very difficult because you have an audience that is used to one thing, and it's not even the audience, it's YouTube. YouTube doesn't know what to do with you. That's when facts. You try to pivot a channel. I've known that for some time. It's not that I was trying to find success, but what I want to do serves no point. The gig space has changed. It has become less about helping people navigate through the gig
water.
What
is he looking at? What is he looking over at? He keep looking over at the video like he gets just disgusted.
It has become less about helping people navigate through the gig waters and about entertainment, which is fine, but it's not. Your favorite show eventually goes off the air. You know, I used to watch Lost. Lost was a pretty good show, and it had a very disappointing ending.
That's real shit.
Purpose. I've no doubt helped people grow. I've motivated them to start their own channels.
Absolutely. And I will say that. Absolutely. And I will second that.
I knew that. Hey. I will be 44 in 6 months. I have a year and a half max to do YouTube full time. Now, I wanted to take you on this journey with me. It's time for me to say goodbye. And this is not a show. This is not a pretend. I will be deleting the channel.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Because there's no point. Can't leave up stuff that's outdated. I know. I'm huge into.
So hold on. It's because you feel like it's outdated. It's not outdated, man. We wanted to still be able to see the videos, but I get it. That's your decision to make, and I respect. But I disagree. It's not outdated because even though the tips and tricks may become outdated and they may not apply to the current day and age and the current market situation of DoorDash, I get that. The value over time that you have in the videos, that is what I think you are underestimating, my brother. And see, what you got to realize is you have been a big inspiration to not only me, but another whole new generation of young Black YouTube creators that you may not even realize. So I just feel like it's a missed opportunity by taking down the videos because you could have potentially inspired the next YouTuber. I'm just saying.
To analytics, and analytics say delete the channel. There's nothing left. On to something else. Like, unlike other people, I've never done this for money. I've never.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Look,
I need some money. Okay, I'm not about to cap. What? Huh? Man, look at here. When my channel got monetized, you know how happy I was, and it was on Christmas. Stop playing with me.
Channels are out there that do this for money. Please believe that.
Right here.
To those channels, you know who you are.
It's me.
Like I said, one of them is a Sith Lord. Just straight up became a Sith Lord.
I don't know if I'm a Sith Lord, but
disappointing to say the least.
Hey, I just want to make a couple dollars. I ain't never had nothing, so I feel like if I can make some money, hey, I earned it off of some YouTube, huh? You think anybody I know that made some money off some YouTube? Stop playing with me. I'm trying to make some money. Hell, hey, but to each his own, bro.
Never been in this to make the money, always been in it to help you. Now, YouTube, I want to do. I enjoy making YouTube videos about stuff that I enjoy doing. My time has come and gone, and that's perfectly fine. If I could do the particle effect, if I wanted to spend time on the Avengers particle effect, I would do that. But thank you to UDM for giving me a real brother in this gig econ space, not any fake person, not those people, because they out there. Thank you to, like I said, countless individuals. But my time has come, my time is gone. And instead of trying to, I really wanted to show you what I was doing, but it doesn't. It would be better for me to just make another channel. Don't want to make this long. Just wanted to say goodbye. And on July 1st, I will be deleting this channel. There's no purpose. Thank you to Segment for the artwork.
Well, we about to run it up. July 1st, today the 12th, we about to run it up until July 1st comes.
I hope that in the time that I was here on this side, I'm going to miss coming on this side, because I come on this side. When you're on YouTube, you can switch. You have multiple channels. You can switch to different things. And every day, even when I wasn't making content, every day I'll come over to this side and then see what's up, see what's going on. It's just a space I no longer want to be in, man. Too much drama, too much. I was picked on by Doordash Diaries for literally no reason at all. And I just don't like not only what this space has become, but I'm bored, man. I'm tired of doing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make money doing that. And it was always to get out, right? This channel has never been about money. Yeah, I advertise.
Wait. That didn't make sense. That didn't make no sense.
But I'm bored, man. I'm tired of doing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make money doing that. And it was always to get out, right? This channel has never been about money. Yeah, I advertise. I put ads. We're all working for it. And I've deleted a channel once before. With that being said, I thank you. I thank you. I appreciate you. It's been a fantastic ride. And you will see me. If you look hard enough, you'll find me. I'll be talking about something. I'm not going to link any channels or anything like that, because I haven't created anything else. It's been a fantastic ride. And you will see me. If you look hard enough, you'll find me. I'll be talking about something. I'm not going to link any channels or anything like that, because I haven't created anything else. But like I usually do, man, stuff like that. So again, not really much to say, but thank you.